have now officially returned from the Dark Ascension Festival, which took place in Fürth. It was an amazing festival, in fact, and I enjoyed the time a lot, especially all 3 concerts, which I was longing to attend for a very long period of time. It has never been organized before, and the whole cause for the organization of this special festival was actually a birthday of one individual within the management who decided to organize a whole festival to celebrate his 50th birthday. So I enjoyed this first festival a lot, and by the way, I was pretty happy that there's finally one 𝐵𝐵𝐴𝐾𝐻 music festival, more located in the southern part of Germany, because if you're familiar with the concert and festival situation in southern Germany, it is pretty difficult here to discover 𝐵𝐵𝐴𝐾𝐻 festivals. There are a lot of metal inspired festivals, even some punk festivals, but I'm not that keen on going to those kinds of music festivals because I am obsessed with gothic rock, dark wave, post-punk, new wave, 80s, and this is not that present in the southern part of Germany. Apart from the Young and Cold festival, which is an amazing choice when it comes to festival visits. So if you ever consider going to Augsburg and visiting this amazing festival, which is organized by the highly talented record company Young and Cold Records, which features an amazing wide range of great artists, then I highly recommend you to check this out and visit their official website for the Young and Cold Festival. The Dark Ascension Festival, which I visited this weekend, yesterday actually, because today was my way home, my journey home. First of all, I decided to talk about the festival right away and my arrival in Fürth. So I live about 3 hours away from the actual festival venue where all the concerts of the 3 bands took place. First of all, there was Scaltra playing. This is an amazingly talented German band, and they call their musical style gloomy witch wave, which perfectly describes the atmosphere and also the feel which they convey on stage. So I highly recommend you to check these artists out. They are not only great musicians, but also incredibly kind individuals. You have been able to discover the great passion which the individual musicians of Scaltra have for their music. I will show you some clips right away so that you can get your own impressions of this marvelous and definitely enchanting concert. So let's go right away for some concert impressions of Scaltra. the concert, I was totally stunned and I immediately decided to buy myself one of their records, especially the new album, because some songs which they have been playing on stage from this exact album have been in my mind for the whole evening and for the whole night time actually when I returned from the concert, but I didn't manage to get one of their records directly at the concert at the venue, so I decided to order it online, and it will arrive soon as far as I can, as far as I know, and I will possibly also do a review about this specific album if I have enough time, because I do have a lot of sewing commissions currently. My medical internship leaves me restless. You can get it officially via their Bandcamp page and also via their official homepage, and this album is called The Third Eye, and it was just released this year in June after VGT. Next, we're going to be skipping to the second concert, which was Merciful Nuns. Merciful Nuns has been one of the bands which I adored for many, many years already. And when I first read that they will end their band career and band history with Merciful Nuns, such as Garden of Delight ended back then, I was a bit alarmed, because if I didn't attend Dark Ascension Festival, I would have possibly never seen them again. So the concert of Merciful Nuns was definitely a huge reason for me to buy my tickets for Dark Ascension Festival, and I expected something great to happen within the concert, and it was, and I must assure you that it was even greater than I could have ever imagined, because not only the performance was organized in such an impressive way, but also the musicians on stage and the sound effects have been overwhelmingly good. I'm still mesmerized by all the songs which they performed on stage. Also, 𝐒𝐲𝐬𝐬 was one of my favorites. It has always been one of my favorite songs, and Body of Light was also just purely stunning. Without me talking too much about the concert, I will go right away for the impressions.
Tooth down.